Right now, your CPU is running one tiny loop, not your app. One loop, the same one it's been running since the moment you hit power. It's called fetch, decode, execute. Grab the next instruction from memory, work out what it means, do it. Repeat billions of times per second. One special register drives it all, the program counter. It holds the address of the next instruction like a finger sliding down a recipe. Fetch reads where the finger points, then the finger moves down. Watch 3 instructions run. Fetch, load the number 5. Decode, it's a load. Execute, 5 lands in a register. Next, add 3. Now it holds 8. Next, store it to memory. That's all a program is. And here's the magic. A jump instruction simply overwrites the program counter. The finger snaps to a new line. That one trick is every if, every loop, every function you've ever written. Fetch, decode, execute, repeat, that's a computer running.